pupils? Excited na ba mo to learn something new? But before that, let me introduce myself first. So I am Teacher Paz. So karong adlaw, we will learn about the desktop publishing interface and designing with templates, word art, and images. But before that, let me introduce to you our learning goals. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the parts of the desktop publishing window and explain their functions. Second, use tools to create simple projects like poster, cards, or brochures. And lastly, is you can save the file properly. Okay, so let's identify the parts of the desktop publishing window. Let's take a look at this desktop publishing window. Each part has a special role. First is the title bar. This shows the name of the program and the file you're working on. It also has the minimize, restore, and close buttons. And the second is the file tab. Here you can find new, open, save as, print, and close. The third is the ribbon. This is where the tools you need are located, just like your toolbox when building something. The fourth is the page navigation pane. This shows many previews of your pages or slides. You can click on them to jump between pages. And next is the scroll bar. This lets you move up, down, left, or right across your page. And lastly is the status bar. This shows you the page number, total pages, and even zoom controls to make your work bigger or smaller on screen. Okay, so let's proceed by designing with templates, word art, and images. So unsa niya ang templates? So templates are ready-made design you can start with. And you can find the templates. You just need to go to the File tab, click the File tab, select New, choose a template that you wanted to use, like flyers, cards, posters, or brochures. And lastly, click Create and you'll have a starting design. So next is using the word art. So word art is a fun way to make your text more attractive. And you can find the word art. You just need to click to the Insert tab on the ribbon, click Word Art, and you can choose a style you like. You can type your text, then adjust size, color, and effect. And next is adding images. So adding images, this is where you can put some pictures on the templates that you wanted to create. So these pictures make your project more lively. So you can click the Insert tab again, click Pictures if you want to add one from your computer or online pictures if you want to search. And then you can resize the image by dragging the corners. And lastly, move it around until it fits your design. So now that you've designed your project, you need to save it properly, just like this. Okay, so first, you need to click the File tab, choose Save As, select the folders where you want to keep your file, type a file name like, for example, My Poster, and lastly is the click Save. Okay. Alright, great for pupils. You've learned the parts of the desktop publishing window, how to design with templates, word art, and images, and how to save your file. With practice, you can create posters, invitations, and cards that look professional and creative. Okay, so I hope you learned something new today. Great for pupils. Thank you and goodbye.